Support for my channel is provided by Mohawk Finishing Products. I've been using Mohawk Finishing Products since 1986. Learn more about Mohawk Finishing Products by clicking the link in the description. Hey, what's up guys? So this is the most recent project that I've had my simple plans converted into really professional plans by Brian Benham. If you're not familiar with Brian Benham, Brian is a super talented woodworker. He's a great designer. He's really an artist. So definitely check out his YouTube channel, his website, and his Instagram. I'll have links to all of them in the description. So Brian has taken my simple drawings, he's looked at the video, and turned my plans into really professional SketchUp plans with exploded drawings, material lists, anything that you'll need to answer any question when you're building this project. And I think that this is a really fun project to get you out in the shop. The material cost is pretty low. I think this was about $40. I got all the material from the home store. The top is built with 2x8s. The legs are 4x4s. And when you're at the home store, take a little time and definitely go through the pile, because I think I went through half the stack to get that straight grained Douglas fir for the legs. But sometimes those boards are there. You just got to kind of hunt for them a little bit. So to get the free plans, it's totally free. Like I said, just go to my website and hit that button that says send me the plans. I wanted to take a minute and thank Mohawk Finishing Products for supporting my channel and making what I would consider long format content possible for me. I really focus on the teaching aspect of woodworking, and I'm hoping that that will get you out in the shop and help you make something that you're proud of, something that you want to show somebody. That's really what woodworking is to me. Woodworking has to work on all levels. Yes, it has to look good, but it also has to feel good. And that's where Mohawk Finishing Products comes into play. I've been using Mohawk Finishing Products since 1986, and you can get basically anything that you need to finish your project. Anything from sandpaper, to paint strainers, to hardware, to fill sticks, to lacquer. This is wool lube. I probably use wool lube in just about every project I've ever even done on this channel. So give these guys a call or check them out online. I like to have a catalog in the shop, but either way, I guess I'm kind of old school. So yeah, this is going to be a project coming up, and when this one is finished, I'll also have free plans for this. That they'll start off as my plans, which will be hand-drawn plans, and then Brian will turn them into professional SketchUp plans also. And I'm able to put so much time into this content because of Mohawk Finishing Products. So huge thank you to these guys. So let's go ahead and take just kind of a quick look at how that bench was put together, and then I hope that you'll go to my website, get the plans, and build one yourself. And if you do, post it on Instagram and put the hashtag John Peters Modern Bench. It'd be fun to see how many people around the world build that bench. Okay guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. If you'd like to build this project, visit my website for the free plans and check out the how-to video on YouTube with all the detail you'll need to make a professional project. I'll have links in the description.